Hey everyone, it's Rex. This is one of my go-to meals while in the backcountry. It's simple, lightweight, close to 700 calories and just under 6 ounces, and it tastes amazing. All you need is 2 ounces of dehydrated refried beans, 1.5 ounces of instant rice, 1 ounce of cheese, 1 ounce of Fritos, and approximately 1/4 ounce of taco seasoning. Pause here to see the brands that I use. Before you leave home, mix specified amounts of rice, beans, and taco seasoning into a bag or container of choice. Once at camp, add at least 10 ounces of water into the pot. You can add more if you would like it soupier. Once water is boiling, pour in beans and rice mixture. Make sure to wait until water is boiling to prevent beans and rice from burning. Simmer for approximately 60 seconds. Cut cheese into pieces and add to meal. Add Fritos just before eating. If you want to add extra flavor and calories, you can add in taco sauce and ranch. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.